Here we have this Nintendo Wii U that is in pretty fair condition. It just needs really good cleaning. So let me go ahead and show you how to get rid of this nasty staining on your Wii U Gamepad. Yeah, I'll admit this Wii U isn't in the best condition, but after we clean it up, it should look pretty good. If we see here, we have Pikmin 3, Splatoon. Well, let's clean it up. Again, it's not in the best condition, but hey, it's cleaned up pretty well for being used after so many years. This thing probably wasn't treated very well, but here it's going to be going back up and being upcycled back into the market. Let's clean up the gamepad. Alright, this gamepad is pretty gross.
Hello there.
Alright, in order to get rid of this nasty stuff, we're going to first wipe it with IPA, and we'll show you how much of a difference it makes. See how that? Now look at that. It's already coming off. For this stubborn stuff, you can use what's known as Magic Eraser. Now you're probably wondering, why didn't I use it on the glossy finish on the system? Well, that's because it gives it this matte finish. If you use it on a matte finish like the back of the gamepad, it will be fine. Just look how much cleaner that is over that. Alright, so there it is. The Wii U Gamepad is now cleaned up. If you look, that is a surprising upgrade. Worth a bit of an upcharge. I will be cleaning it a tiny bit more off camera and be modding this and testing it and then selling it for probably like 80 bucks or something. It's pretty good. I can't wait to get that going. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.